guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be decorating my room for fall. It is the first day of autumn. It is October 1st and that is the start of spooky season. So I wanted to decorate my room for Halloween and fall. I have in my bin of Christmas and fall and Halloween decorations right here, and although it's mostly filled with Christmas, it has some fun fall decorations in it. And I'm really excited because I love this time of year. It's my favorite time of year. Like the September to December months are my favorites when it's getting colder and cozier and just better. I think I also have things downstairs like my Halloween blanket that I got last year and I might just have some other stuff. I'm just going to take you along while I decorate my room because that's so fun. And hopefully it'll get you into the fall and Halloween spirit.
Spooky, scary skeletons.
Okay. In this bin, I have my decorations. So we have this little guy, little mini scarecrow I got last year from a fall festival. This candle I think I got last year too. You guys have seen like all my decorations I think that I have. And this, oh, little moth. And maybe I'll get more Halloween decorations soon. Okay, so I know it's not Christmas yet, and I was about to say it's not close to Christmas, but there's 85 days left till Christmas. That's pretty close. Like I said before, it's getting colder, which means it's getting cozier. So is it bad if I want to put up my lights? I feel like they will just be nice and cozy. I'm not sure. I'll think about putting those up. But for now, this is what I have. And then I think that's actually all I have in this bin for... How is that? So I forgot that I put some Halloween stuff in that little cabinet over there. I have this little ghost from Target and it lights up. And then this bowl that I'm gonna put candy in. And it says, "Boo yay," but I like putting it to the way where you can't see that because that's cringy. I definitely have more stuff. I'm gonna take you with me and we're gonna go downstairs to see if we can find any more things. Okay, so I have a crawl space in my basement, and this is actually my sister's room, so it's like kind of the basement, but also my sister's room. I just heard squeaking. I don't know if it's a mouse or the hinges, but the hinges aren't squeaking. Okay, despite the mouse sounds, I came down here anyways. It's so freaky down here. But let's see. Yay, this is the rest of my Halloween stuff. Okay, back from that scary adventure. And now we have more decorations. So we have a pumpkin. I think that's from Target. We have a garland of leaves. We have a little pumpkin, twinkle lights, and string of skull fairy lights. Not very fairy-like though. And then random leaves, pine cones, scented pine cones. Then we have bat fairy lights, and then this leaf thing. Oh yeah, and then we have this little pillow on my bed, and another pumpkin from Target, and then the blanket that I was talking about before, another pumpkin, and Happy Halloween garland lights. The rest are pine cones and leaves. So let's get to decorating. Okay, so first I'm going to do my bed, and I have, like I showed you, my Snoopy Halloween blanket. Looks like this, very soft, very cute, from at TJ Maxx. And then I have my trick or treat pillow from the Target dollar section. So now I'm gonna switch these pillows out. And here's my completed bed. Next up is to put little knickknacks all over my room. Okay, I'm still deciding whether or not I want to put the Christmas lights up there and up there. I really want to because I think it'll be really cozy and festive, but I still don't know if I should or not. So I have this bowl and I'm going to fill it with candy because I have this candy from a Sweet 16 I went to and some Hershey Kisses from my parents. I don't know why they gave those to me, I forget. But I'm just gonna pour this candy in and also the Hershey Kisses. And then I also have this candle and I'm just gonna put it on my desk somewhere and replace this one because this is like my favorite candle ever and it's almost out and I think they discontinued this scent. So this is the candle and it's Cranberry Smash and it's by Woodcraft or Old Williamsburg Candles, I think. I tried looking it up and I cannot find this scent anywhere, so I want to make it last as long as possible. So I'm just going to put this one away and put out this candle instead. I didn't end up using these lights because I couldn't find a place for them, but it's fine because I think my room has enough decoration in it. But yeah, so I still need to decide if I want to put those lights up. I think I'm gonna put them up and see if they look too Christmassy or like what they look like, and then if they look too Christmassy or just don't look good, I'll just take them down. And then after that, I'm going to put up my leaf garland and then I'll give you a little room tour. Okay, so starting with my desk, I just have this candy bowl and the pumpkin, and of course Brian messed up my little board. I just left it there because I was lazy and I didn't want to fix it. So this is what my desk looks like. And then up here I have the ghost, a colorful ghost. And then I put the candle here instead of there just because I was getting a little crowded and I think it looks better up here. Then I just have the little scarecrow and my bed with the blanket, the pillows, and nothing up here because I decided not to put the lights up or the garland because both of them looked bad. And then up here, I just put one of the pumpkins up here, and then I have a pine cone with the little thingy I made, that canvas I made. And then lastly, I have my Happy Halloween light garland, and then me. Okay, so that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm very excited. There's a stink bug in my room. I'm very excited for this season and for Halloween and then Christmas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons speak with such a screech. You'll shake and shudder in surprise when you hear these zombies.